Hmm.
Dear learners, welcome to my class. How are you? Hope you are well. Today I will solve the problems of page 73. Okay, let's solve. Question number 11. I am reading the question. There are 10 benches in a class. There are 10 benches in a class. 5 students can be seated in each of the 6 benches. In each of the 6 benches, that means in one bench. In one bench, how many students can be seated? 5 students can be seated. Then, of the 6 benches, 4 students can be seated in each of the remaining 4 benches. Out of 10 benches, 5 students can be seated in each of 6 benches and 4 students can be 4 benches. Then how many students can be seated all together in 10 benches? Okay, now let's solve. 5 students can be seated in each of 6 benches. Each of 6 benches means, suppose 1 bench, 2 bench, 3 bench, 4 bench, 5 bench, 6 bench. In one bench, 5 students can sit. Similarly, second bench, 5 students can sit. Third bench, 5 students can sit. Fourth bench, 5 students can sit. Then in 6 bench, how many students can be seated? 30 students can be seated. Okay, now let's write. In each bench means one bench. In one bench, how many students? 5 students. 5 students can be seated. Then in 6 benches, how many students can be seated? Number of benches increases, so number of students will increase. 6 benches. 5 into we have to multiply. Is equal to 36 students. And 4 students can be seated in each of the remaining 4 benches. Again, we write in one bench, how many students? 4 students. 4 students can be seated. Remaining bench, 4. In 4 benches, number of benches is increasing, so number of students will increasing. Number of students, how many? Number of students, 16. In 4 bench, number of students will increase. Here number of bench is increasing, so here number of students will increase. Sorry. Here students will be 30. I wrote wrong. Okay. Now, how many students can be seated all together in 10 benches? All together means we have to do addition. Okay, now write in 6 benches 30 students can be seated. In 4 benches 16 students can be seated. Therefore, in 10 benches, do addition. 0 plus 6, 0, 3 plus 1, 4. Give answer. 46. Very easy. Okay. Question number 12. I am reading. Shukumar gets Taka 90 per month. Per month means 1 month. Shukumar gets Taka 90 per month as scholarship. He gave Rina how much? Taka 95. From where? From his 12 months scholarship. Then how much money remains to him? Shukumar gets Taka 90 per month. That means in 1 month Shukumar get 90 Taka. First we have to find the 12 months scholarship. Now write in 1 month Shukumar gets how much Taka? Taka 90. In 12 months how much will we get? We have to multiply. Number of months is increasing, so amount of Taka will increase. 90 into 12. Now multiply here. Show graph. 90 into 12. 0. 9 to the 18. 18 1080 Taka. From this Taka, Shukumar gave Rina. Shukumar gave Rina how much Taka? Taka 95. So now we have to do subtraction. Now write in 12 months Shukumar gets he gave Rina how much? 95. Now we have to subtract. After giving Rina, how much money remains to him? Remains to him subtract we do not subtract 5 from 10. We have to borrow from the left. 10 5 15 9 8 985 টাকা remains to him 985 টাকা. Answer 980. Understand? Hope you understand. Next, number 13. There are 74 lychees in a basket. There are 70 lychees in another basket. The lychees of the two baskets are put together and distributed equally among 8 persons. How many lychees does each person get? Understand the question? There are 74 lychees. Suppose 2 baskets. Here 74 lychees. There are 70 lychees. Now the lychees of 2 baskets are put together. What are the total lychees? Now write. There are in one basket 74 lychees. In another basket there are 70 lychees. What are the total lychees? Total lychees 4, 7 plus 7, 14. Total lychees 144. These lychees are distributed how many persons? Among 8 persons. That means these lychees are distributed how many persons? Among 8 persons. Then let's write 8 persons get 8 persons get 144 leases. How many leases one person gets? Each person gets means one person, we have to find one person get. One person gets 144. Number of person is decreasing, so you have to do division. Show up here. Read multiplication table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 to the 16th, 8 ones are 8 minus, subtract 8 from 14, 6, brought down 4, next to 6, which are 64, and 18 leases. Each person gets 18 leases. Therefore, this person gets how many leases? 18 leases. His answer 18 leases. Understand? Hope you understand. Next, question number 14. Tahmina bought a packet of 50 balloons. From them, she kept 8 balloons for her. Remaining balloons were given equally among 6 friends. How many balloons does Tahmina's each friend get? Okay, let's do. Tahmina bought a packet of 50 balloons. Now write. Tahmina bought a packet of 50 balloons. From 50 balloons, she kept for her. She kept for her how many balloons? She kept for her 8 balloons. 8 balloons. After keeping for her 8 balloons, remaining balloons are given how many friends? 6 friends, among 6 friends. Remaining balloons to 42. Now these 42 balloons, how many friends will get? 6 friends will get. Now write 6 friends. 6 friends get 42 balloons. Therefore, one friend get 42 divided by 6. 6 friends here. Out of one friend, number of balloon will increase. So we have to divide these friends will get 7 balloons. This answer 7. Okay, no more today. Bye.